Good morning, guys. Okay, so I'm still building my watch list. I had to hurry up and take the trash out. I forgot to take the trash out here, and it's trash day. So I had to run over there to do that. So just give me one moment. I'm building my watch list now. Spy's about break even. Alright, so there's TAHO, looks okay. Not the best. MNK is gapping up. LPCN, I like LPCN. TTPH is what I'm watching. ZSAN looks decent. AIPT maybe. DPW looks a little choppy, but it's moving some. AKER. Alright, so I kind of built a little watch list here. Alright, so I'll go ahead and add it to the chat. Alright, sorry guys, just now looking at the chat. Morning Kid, morning the Kid, morning Meter, John Doe, Guru, Matt, Kenny, Darren, Melody, D. Evan. What's up, guys? Good morning. Kenny, no, you're not. So you get 3 day trades per week for each broker that you use, if that makes sense. What's up, Danny? Good morning, man. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and add my watch list to the chat. Watching a few that are actually gapping down some. Alright, so this is my watch list. What's up by Hindsight in Meza? What's up, guys? Alright, so there's my watch list. What's up, Power Zone? Good morning, man. Sorry, guys. I was just tweeting my pre-market watch list. All right. So let's see if any of these stocks that are on my watch list are tradable on TradeNet. CTPH is not. AKER is not. LPCN is not. ZSAN is not. Not a good day for DPW is. NTRI is. NSPR is not. So not a good day for TradeNet's trading. Only one stock aside from the SPY is tradable on TradeNet. Still going to keep looking, see if I can find anything else that's moving this morning. Let me know if you guys see anything else that I didn't put as well on mine. TEUM maybe, it's over 2. Maybe keep an eye on that one. OHGI trying a little bit. NIHD maybe. Might keep an eye on NXTD, see what it does here. OPGN looks decent. I'm going to watch OPGN for sure. Still not tradable on TradeNet. So yeah, this is one of those days where not much is tradable on TradeNet, unfortunately. HTBX maybe. Still not tradable, so unfortunately not much on TradeNet today. Gonna have to use Robinhood a decent amount today, it looks like. Okay, so Zachary, a lot of the cheap penny stocks are not tradable. Usually it's not this bad. Usually about half of the stocks on my watch list are tradable. Today, only about two or three out of 10 are tradable on TradeNet. And so, unfortunately, a lot of these penny stocks are not tradable today. And so, I'm going to have to use my Robinhood account to trade some of these stocks if they start to move. There's some penny stocks that are tradable, like DPW. Hold on, let me comment this one. There we go. The DPW is tradable, and it was on my watch list, so I'm going to keep an eye on DPW. MARA, NXTD. What else? I don't think ZSAN is. NTRI, big gapping down stock, is tradable. DRYS maybe. And so there's some that are tradable on TradeNet that I'm going to watch today, but unfortunately not many are tradable. So I'm going to have to use Robinhood to get into a lot of these trades. Since the commission per trade is 0.006 cents per share plus ECN fees, there's a 150 minimum per trade, and so if I use 100 shares or less, it's a 150 minimum, and so it's $3 for a round trip plus ECN fees, so it's probably like $3.50, which is pretty cheap, Yeah, I mean, TradeNet has a platform. I can open it up so you can see it. I don't like using the platform as much. I just like using it to execute the trades. This is TradeNet's platform right here. But like I said, I like using it just to execute my trades, and I like using Thinkorswim for charting. I just like Thinkorswim charts better. Yeah, I'm going to have to check TradeStation out, Matt. Sounds decent. Man, I wish I could trade ZSAN. It looks okay. Had this big move yesterday all the way to 11. Sitting at $8 now, gapping up a decent amount. And so I wish I could trade that one. I'm going to be watching NTRI for a reversal play here. See if we can push back up. No problem since. See if we can make a little bit of a move back up here. Alright, so let's check out some of these news releases to see why these are moving like they are. Alright, so let's look at TTPH. Alright, so TTPH announced FDA acceptance for filing of its NDA submission for Aravaxacline for the treatment of complicated intra-abdominal infections. So FDA acceptance for TTPH, that's why it's gapping up some. LPGN doesn't really have any news that I see for it. Let's see LPCN. Alright, so LPCN is up from Empire Asset Management, upgrading it from a hold to a buy target. So that's what's happening with LPCN. A little bit puff piece on it, and so we'll see what happens with it. We'll see what NTRI is gapping down. All right, so NTRI is just from Barrington Research downgrading Nutrisystem to market perform, which I think it may be a little bit oversold from that one. We'll see if it bounces back here on NTRI. AIPT. Alright, so it's kind of a puff piece on AIPT. It says it's going to focus on the next generation of patient-derived tumor models. And so, I mean, it's nothing really verifiable. It's just kind of puffing it up. Let's see, DPW. NSPR, AKER. No news on AKER, NPSR, NSPR. Alright, so a lot of these are puff pieces today. Good morning, Atheon. What's up, man? Yeah, I just use what I do, Zachary, is I just go over here. Like, I can open it up. I got Tetris open right here, but I can go to Switch Gadget and then just go to Live News. You know, type it in, whatever it is, LPCN. It'll show me the news stories for today. I was just doing that on my other laptop. And so we'll see what moves us today. Yesterday we actually had pretty decent volume compared to how it's been the last few weeks. And so hopefully the volume's decent today as well. In IHD. It has no news. I mean, it's not moving too much. It's actually gapping down some, but I don't think this one's tradable on TradeNet. If I got into that one, it would be short, I think. Yeah, and it's not tradable, unfortunately. And I'm sure I'll see a few other movers that I can get into on TradeNet at the open, but as for now, I don't see too much I like. AKRX, I might watch this one for rebound with NTRI. Gonna keep an eye on these two. I gotta get a new chair. This one's too squeaky. Alright. So yeah, somebody asked me and they said TradeNet doesn't cost $15 a month on my comments. So TradeNet's platform is like 15 something a month. It's overall pretty cheap compared to a lot of these other brokers. Like, they have top lists and stuff on TradeNet. I guess I could look at those to kind of see what I like. Let me see. Top 20. So look, here's the top 20 most active, the biggest gains, the biggest losses in the NASDAQ, the most active in the New York Stock Exchange, the biggest gain and the biggest loss in the New York Stock Exchange. So let's take a look at these. Let me go ahead and detach this window right here. There we go. Alright. So let's take a look at some of these. Yeah, Atheon, their platform is just, it's very similar to SureTrader from what I remember. It acts very similar. Alright, so we got QQQ, TLT, is my Thinkorswim freezing up here? There it goes. Finally. Alright. EIRC, QCOM. QCOM looks okay. CRZO. I might watch CRZO for a possible bounce as well. Yeah, I can trade CRZO, so gonna keep an eye on that one. USLV, AMD. Maybe it looks like a high float stock though. BLCM. CRON. AIPT. Maybe AIPT, but it's not moving too much like I want it to. Let's look at the 1 minute. DBVT. Maybe. Let's see. ZN. FEYE. Yeah, nothing I like too much. INTC. FIT. Maybe watch FIT for a rebound play. SBGL. FCAU. NOK. IGZ. BAC. Yeah, I don't see too much I like, honestly, guys. PRGO. Oil. TRXC. Bud. CHK. RIO. EEM. Yeah, I just don't like too much here, unfortunately. Money, I just don't like. I mean, it's not that I dislike the TradeNet charting. I just like Thinkorswim charting better. It's what I'm used to the most. It's what I've used the most, and so it's just a comfort thing. I just like using Thinkorswim better. Good morning, Grant. What's up, man? They do, Atheon. Yeah, SureTrader's fee for the DAS platform was pretty expensive. It was like $150 if you wanted real-time level 2. And so, yeah, it was pretty expensive. The way to do it with SureTrader, though, if you're going to use SureTrader, is to just use their web-based platform and do what I'm doing kind of here. Put Thinkorswim next to their web-based platform instead of paying $200 a month or whatever it is for it. Just put Thinkorswim next to it. Good morning, Bamboo. What's up, man? Thanks for the subscribe, David Rodriguez. Appreciate it, man. Alright, guys. We got about 10 minutes left until the open. Yeah, JR Straker, instead of posting a comment to the actual stream video, just post a comment in the stream chat is what you want to do. AKER looks okay. It's just up on 0 news today. No problem, Sense. It's free, Melody. I'm not paying anything for it. It's 100% free for me. The only thing I ever did it was deposit like a $20 deposit whenever I opened up my account. But a lot of people are saying you don't even have to do that, so you may not even have to do that. But this is all 100% free, Melody. I put a tutorial video on how to get real-time quotes and everything. I posted the video this weekend. And so there's a video on how to get real-time quotes for free on Thinkorswim. SN, Matt? Yeah, I don't really like the intraday chart. I mean, we'll see. It's gapped up yesterday. Let's look at the daily. Daily doesn't look too bad. Kind of had a reversal here on the daily, so maybe it may start to run. We'll see. What's up, Philip? Appreciate the donuts and coffee, man. Alright. So I'm watching a lot of reversal plays this morning, really, guys. So, NTRI, watching to see if it rebounds here. FIT, same thing. CRZO, same thing. Let's see if we get some rebounds here. SHLD. Yeah, I do kind of like SHLD. Sears Holding Corp. SHLD is tradable on TradeNet as well, so I'll keep an eye on this one too. No worries, Melody. But yeah, it's all free. That's the great thing about Thinkorswim is that they offer you all this stuff for free. Real-time data, real-time quotes, real-time level 2, which is what I mean by real-time data. Free charting, free scanner. Like I said yesterday, if you really want to, play games with Thinkorswim, you can play Tetris. As you can see here. Or Minesweeper. So close. Alright, no more Minesweeper for me. Alright, guys. So we got about 8 minutes left, 8.5 minutes. PTN, David. Yeah, I don't like the intraday, but I really like the daily chart on PTN. If it can get over 1 and 105, it definitely has some room here. Let's look at a little bit longer chart. Yeah, it definitely has some room if you can get over 1 and 105 here. So I see kind of why you're watching that one. Maybe MRD in here. MNK. It's kind of moving some MNK. NG Kenny. Yeah, NG, I mean, it's just not moving too much. It had a little volume spike, though, in after hours, so we'll see. SPY's about break even. Yesterday, it had a nice day again. So the SPY's been acting pretty strong here after this big little mini crash, which was probably just a correction. But SPY's been acting pretty strong here. Been pushing back up. Had a few green days in a row. Flagging on the daily chart, so we'll see what happens with it. TTBH is starting to wash here before they open. It's dropping under 3 now. Alright, so I got two-day trades on Robinhood I can make, but lately I've been getting in trades. If they work out for me, I've been holding them overnight, and so I'll see if I can hold these overnight. Bamboo, I usually like looking for swing setups right around the end of the day, and so I don't really want to. It's in my opinion, at least for me, from my experience, it's much harder to predict a swing trade right at the open. Because that's when a stock's going to be the most volatile, so it can go in the opposite direction really easily. My best time and my favorite time to look for swing trades is right before the close, like right around the end of the day, within the last, 30 minutes of the market. So about 3:30 market time is when I really start looking for swings. All right, guys, we got 3 minutes left until the open. ABIO. You're going to dump it. Let me see. Yeah, I was looking at this one yesterday. It just never really moved. I guess it did. It went down $1 yesterday. Maybe that wasn't the one. I was watching one over, I think, 70 cents, but it just never did what I wanted it to, really. Alright guys, we got 2 minutes left. Good luck everyone. Hopefully we can all make some money. Market's going to open up soon. Gonna watch LPCN, see what it can do over 180. See if TTBH can hold over 3. And then watching for a lot of rebound plays. Appreciate it, Power Zone. You as well, man. Alright, MNK is testing $19 now. Yeah, one of my favorite setups is kind of like what NXTD did yesterday, where it has a huge gap up and then washes out at the open. Really obvious short opportunity there. So, but there's not really too much of that this morning. It's kind of, I'm looking for the opposite play with let's see, NTRI, MNK. FIT, CRZO. See if I can get some rebounds here. Yeah, no problem, Bamboo. Alright, last little bit, guys. Last little bit to the open. Good luck, everyone. But yeah, we'll see if we can get some rebound plays going on this morning. I will, Matt. Yeah, sometimes I'm not the best calling it out. I'll make sure to let everybody know if I get in anything in Robinhood today, since so many are not tradable in TradeNet. So market's opening up in 10 seconds. Good luck, everyone. Market's about to open up now. All right, there we go. There's the market open. All right, CIZO looks to be bouncing some. PIR. NTRR, Nutrisystem starting to wash. JCP. JCP pushing up some. FNJN. AKER running up some here. Breaking the pre-market high. Might jump in AKER here. Alright, so I'm in AKER. We'll see what it can do on Robinhood. Very small position. Nice, it's up to 70. Probably should have gotten it a little early on AKER, but we'll see how it reacts to 70. Got a little bit of wiggle room now. Entrance is 0.67. So right here. PLUG. FTK. NTRI, gonna watch it for a possible reversal here. Don't know if I like AKER now. I mean, I'm still up a cent, 1 cent from it with my 67 cent entrance, but don't know if I like it necessarily. We'll see. Looks like it's struggling. FIT rebounding some. I kind of like FIT here. CRZO as well. So I'm up a few bucks on AKER as it stands now. It's testing 7 again, or 70. We'll see what happens here with that AKER. ZSAN trying. There we go. Nice on AKER, up about 5-6 bucks. Big pullback. Don't really like that at all. SPY's breaking the high of the day here. We'll see if it continues. Don't really like this on AKER. May jump out of it here for a very small gain. See what the market does here with the SPY. FIT trying to break here. DSX, CERC trying. All right, I'm gonna get out of AKER for break even here. Maybe take $1 loss on it now. Yeah, I'm out of AKER. Definitely don't like that pullback. It was up about 6 bucks at one point. I should have gotten out when it got rejected at 70 cents. But no worries. It happens. Break even trade basically. FIT trying. BPMX, TRXC. Yeah, MNK looking good here. Yeah, BPMX, cheap penny stock pushing up. Dr. Storm. I have two monitors, so I have double monitors set up. So I have one here and then one on my right that you guys can't see. SHLD looks okay. SHLD starting to push up some. TTPH. Yeah, I was watching for some reversal plays on a lot of these big gap down stocks. No problem, doctor. I'm just gonna call you Doc. Be easier. Yeah, I was watching NTRI for a rebound play, and it rebounded some. Not the best though. Same thing with FIT. Trying to rebound. CRZO too. What's up, Marquise? Z-San. Yeah, look at Z-San. Z-San looks strong. Alright, so the SPY's choppy today. And thus is why I haven't jumped into it. I was a little worried about that choppy action. PTN. Yeah, PTN is just not moving too much. Needs more volume. ABIO. Trying to push up. INPX. TANH. ACTG. DSX. DSX looks decent. Not much volume, but okay pattern. So remember yesterday, General Electric GE took a huge wash and then rebounded. Wow, GE came all the way back yesterday and now it's pushing up nicely on General Electric GE. Look at GE now. Having a strong day. Pushing up. You see, this is the 1 minute pullback setup I like the most. Everybody can see an example of it here. This is like my favorite, one of my favorite long setups, the 1 minute pullback. You can see GE started to run really big. It had one small red candle. Once it broke the high of that, it continued on its climb up. So that's why it's my favorite 1 minute setup. FIT trying to break the high now. Come back. Might jump in FIT here. Let's see what happens with it. Watching FIT here. See what happens with it. Thinkorswim's lagging a little bit. It's not loading. Alright, Thinkorswim. Come on now. Charting's lagging some. Alright, so my Thinkorswim is lagging behind here. There it goes. Finally it worked. And ZSAN is being really weird here. Man, my Thinkorswim's acting funny. ACHN, can't look at it. I'm gonna have to look at my other monitor until Thinkorswim wants to get its act right. Maybe change my Alright, so I tried changing my settings maybe on Thinkorswim to a little bit slower quote speed. Who knows why it's acting like this? Weird. Well, guys, I don't know what's going on with my Thinkorswim, but it's freezing up. Who knows? ZSAN does look strong though. Yeah, I've tried. It still doesn't work. FIT's looking good here. Man, Thinkorswim, it's not how you should be acting right now. Well, I'm gonna switch over to a different chart now. OPGN is trying. There it goes. Finally, man. Yeah, I just don't like any other charting besides Thinkorswim. It does have its problems sometimes with that, apparently. NTRI had a nice rebound play as well. Yeah, I don't know what was going on. What's up, Juan? MR? Yeah, I finally got it back. I was thinking about getting an FIT here, but the drama with Thinkorswim made me miss it. Would have been a nice rebound play though on FIT. At least I know my trade idea was correct with it. Yeah, it's kind of frustrating though. Look, a lot of these, I was watching FIT and NTRI for rebound plays. Look at this, they both rebounded really nicely here. NTRI is pushing up strong. Nice job, Kyle. Good trade, man. ASNA pushing up. LXU pushing up. ACHN as well. SPY's acting really choppy today. Not one of the days I necessarily want to get into it. JCP has been on a slow grind up all morning. BPMX. ASNA has been slowly grinding up this morning as well. Big drop on the SPY. A lot of choppiness action on the SPY though. So I probably won't jump into it right now until it breaks the high or low of the day. PI having a little washout long set up here. IBIO trying. Yeah, don't see too much I like this morning, really. So that's why I haven't gotten anything on TradeNet. MNK had a big pullback there. What's up, Juan? You'll bounce back, man. Don't worry about it. Nice, Matt. Good job, man. Appreciate it, Juan. Have a good one, man. You'll bounce back, bro. Alright, so the SPY is starting to crack the low of the day, or trying. AKER is bouncing back up as well. I'm not mad I sold it. you know, even though it bounced back here, it's still too risky to hold. SPY continues to crash here. Not crash, but I should use better word for it. SPY's washing out some. Gonna see. I'm looking, honestly, I think the SPY will probably bounce right here. Maybe come all the way back up here if it acts like it's been acting the last few weeks. E and PH. E and PH getting some volume here. MCHP breaking the high of the day. A BPMX. BPMX broke the high of the day as well. A little cheap penny stock, but it's pushing up some nicely here. I like this one, but I kind of missed the entry. Plus its range is really, really small. I might jump in BPMX here. See how it acts right here. JD's been washing out all morning. The SPY continues to creep towards that low again. Alright, so I'm in BPMX with at a 20.5 or 20.5 cent entry after that huge jump. Watching the SPY really closely here. Up about 50 cents if it can get over 21 on BPMX, or not 50 cents, half a cent on it. So small gain. Entry's about right here. A little worried it's overextended though. Worried it's going to come back down to this 20-cent level. And if it does, that's fine. Kind of needs a pullback after the big run, so I may hold through it. Give it a little bit of time here. It's right around that previous high of the last few weeks. Glad I didn't jump in the SPY going short. Thought it may rebound there. Glad I didn't. Aside from that, not too much is moving that I like, honestly. A little slow day in the market right now. Yeah, I'm not in anything except for BPMX right now. And a lot of times these little cheap stocks don't really follow the market too well. The only stock I'm in is BPMX with 20.5 cent, 25 entry. Up about a little bit less than half a cent right now on it. Gonna give it time. Right, man. That's what I said, Atheon. That's the biggest problem I have with U stock. It's definitely sketchy. Um, stocks that have the most volume in the market are labeled limited, which is very sketchy. Stocks that should have the most liquidity are labeled limited liquidity. And that's like I said, a lot of other brokers take the other side of your trades. I know SureTrader does. It seems like Ustock probably does as well. And I can't really get mad at them for it, but they can't handicap the traders, just because they're taking the other side of the trade by putting limited liquidity on their stocks. That's the frustrating thing about it. TTPH. Yeah, we'll see if I could short it, I'd short it under 280. But unfortunately I can't. SPY dropping and AKER is bouncing back here. It's been struggling to get over that 70-cent level all day. We'll see what happens. It's right around there now. Aside from that, not too much is moving in the market I like. Everything's a little slow. They say Z-SAN is falling hard here. Look at Z-SAN, ZSAN. Big drop, big crash. Looked strong this morning, broke the low of the day now. But man, look at that drop on ZSAN. NBR breaking the high of the day. Looks like Fit just couldn't do it. Market's really slow right now, guys, so just be careful. Don't force anything. AKER getting over that 70-cent resistance. Testing 71 now on AKER. Trying for that 71-cent high of the day break. Yeah, market's really slow right now, guys, so just be careful. Bitcoin's up some. Alright, there goes AKER's high of the day break here. It's at 71.5 cents. Just broke that 71-cent high of the day. Unfortunately, I'm holding BPMX here. And so, that's my last day trade. Don't really want to swing trade it. But AKER is pushing up nicely here. Slow day, so I'm not forcing anything, guys. Taking it slow. MGEN. Yeah, the biggest thing I'm worried about with BPMX is that it's going to get rejected at 21 and then crash big. So I'll give it a little bit of time here. But yeah, I got to trust my instincts a little bit more. I don't know if anybody heard me, but I said I thought the SPY would bounce off this low and reverse here, rebound, and push back up maybe around the high of the day. So I got to trust my instincts a little bit more with the SPY. I've gotten pretty good at predicting what it's going to do, but still, I'm not upset just because the market's so choppy. The SPY's so choppy today. I'm glad I didn't really jump into it and force anything. But the SPY rebounded nicely. So you said the Fed chairman was talking, was speaking. Maybe he had some good news. I don't know. Yeah, one thing I've noticed is that when the market's choppy like this, it forms a channel in between the high and the low of the day, and it'll kind of keep going back and bouncing off the high and low and form a little channel here. GoPro. Man, GoPro's washing out too, pretty big. GoPro at one point in time was in the teens, I believe. Let's look. GoPro's gotten hit pretty hard the last few. Man, GoPro was as high as $65 at one point. What happened to it, man? Down to the fives now. Struggling there too, continues to fall. So I think the SPY will probably come up here, bounce off the high of the day, come back down to the low. We'll see though. That's what happened, Matt. That makes sense. Yeah, it's got to keep up, man. You got to evolve as a business to succeed. Sounds like GoPro hasn't been doing that. Yeah, it happens, man. You got to evolve as a business. If you don't evolve, the competition will evolve before you. And eat your lunch, man. Sounds like same. That's what's happening with GoPro. Alright, so the SPY's right around the high of the day now. There's no way I'm going to jump into it, but it's showing some strength here. And with that big push, the TVIX is falling. Looks to be a channel forming on the SPY. We'll see what happens here. Yeah, nothing's really moving though. Really slow day in the market, guys. YECO looks okay. This is kind of the setup I look for with the swing trade. We'll see what happens with it. Gonna make a little mark for watching YECO towards the end of the day. SPY trying to get over the high of the day here. And the AKER couldn't get over and hold over that high at 71. CERC slow grind. ZSAN rebounding over the whole $1.08. SPY is trying here. Looks strong. Like I said, though, I think it'll probably bounce back down, start testing the low, unless it has a big breakout here. We'll see. APTS took a huge drop. SERC or CERC trying to get over that $0.5 point. SPY trying to get over that 50-cent level. There it goes. High of the day on the SPY. Looking strong. Up to 60. 66. 69, 70. Looking good here on the SPY. Like I said, though, with the SPY's choppiness, I'm not going to force it. I hope it continues, though, just because the market, you know, it's always good for the market to be up. RNWK is up there. Alright, so market's being a little slow, guys. Not too much is moving. I'm going to go ahead and close the stream down now. It is 10:15 market time. I'm going to hold BPMX, let it work, set my stop at break even if it does break under that. And so basically a break even day today. I could get out of the BPMX here for a very small dollar or two profit and be green on the day, but I'm going to try to get a little bit more out of it, see if it breaks that 21-cent area sometime during market hours today. But yeah, aside from that, not too much is moving. Just really slow day in the market. Thinkorswim's lagging a little bit too, so I'm going to go ahead and close the stream down now. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We got a constant hater that's disliking all my videos, so click the like button right now to overpower him if you appreciate this content. BPMX is testing 21 now. Let's see if we can get over. There we go. Well, I guess I'll wait and see what happens with BPMX here. Up about $7 on it now with this huge push. Gonna see if we can get over to 22. May just jump out of it soon here. It's kind of stuck right here, not moving too much. Should have jumped out of it on that push. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get out here for a $7 gain. Give it a little bit of time. Alright. Alright, so I'm out right here for about a $6 gain now since it dropped some. So green on the day, very small gain on BPMX. I'll take it. But yeah, guys, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and close the stream down now. Not too much else is moving. A little slow. Have a good day, everybody. Make sure to hit that like button if you appreciate this content. And yeah, good luck for the rest of the day, guys. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one and good luck.